$5 now. Chicken, how much for chicken? This is Jamaica Good Life. Not really a good life. Well, some here have some jerk chicken. We'll allow to get a plate on a food drive through the city. Pick up some jerk chicken from the best in town. MoBay, the man they have some of the best jerk chicken, so you know we always get the best. Don't worry about the rest. Always get the best. Kingston and Negril. We don't have a contest. Boy. Watch it. Bad man coming through. Bike in a New York, bike in a MoBay, bike in a Kingston. Everywhere that I go, me cold like a snow. We play them in now, 6 of on their blouse and skirt. Boy, watch out taxi. So we used to be messenger in a New York City. What kind of drive that? So this is MoBay on a Sunday. We are going to the beach today, but this is a Sunday. Beach I go park. So we get some chicken. Jerk chicken, not chicken back. So then now, what we are going to do? I flash it down in a avenue. You see me? Watch yourself. Bad avenue them there, you know. You're not going to watch when I move, you know. Keep on your shoes, you know. Don't refuse, you know. Watch this. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Driver, don't stop at all. Watch me ride. You know what I'm saying? The bad road, good road, it don't matter. When you kill chicken, watch them flatter. That's in the bus park. So this is where I get the food from Montego Bay. Bus park. So bus park that. Things empty on Sundays. World tour. They're on a world tour. They're on a girl tour. Going to a dancer. Kick off the floor. Going on a girl tour. And a girl take a bay. So them say, jump railing every night and every day. Right, Karande, watch yourself. Why? Alright. So you no, I go food and get a plate. I have a pear. So one big avocado. One meditation. Number one, I let you see. Go eat jerk chicken. Yeah, you know? Yo, that, respect. When you're up on bicycle, you have to come on, respect, you know? Yeah, right. Ride my bicycle. That. Blend up the sea moss. One day I saw it. I Sunday, oh no, don't give praises.
What you there you're doing?
Lettuce for fun.
What you there you're doing?
I'm going to buy lettuce to eat in the chicken. Oh, go on, brother. Yeah. How much for a pound to the lettuce? I want half a pound, please. I know somebody was going to do it. Sunday. 7 days a week you work?
8.
Oh. Let me shop, mama. Here. Can I go seaside, go eat lettuce? No, man, I'm on my bike in the state, you know?
You know somebody want at the market?
No, we're not go there. Bless it and love. Alright, some people in there. Alright, so here, so many products. So tell them about the Noni Detox.
Yeah, so the Noni Detox now. This is it. This is the baby.
And this is the biggie. Baby and the biggie.
Baby and the baby. This is the mother and the child. This is the Noni Detox, people. This is awesome. This is a phenomenal.
Must have. So then we
must have. Every household.
Wow, we went to the slippery elm must have.
Yes.
We went to the cleanse must have.
Yes.
So we're talking about the must have box here. Then we have the Noni Detox must have.
Must have. You have to have the Noni Detox. And I'm going to tell you why you must have the Noni Detox.
So we're back with the Noni Detox. Talk to me about the big one, the small one. You have me taking the Noni Detox like every single day.
Yes.
And you say it's for the immune system. What else is it good for?
Alright, I recommend this to you because for one, it also balances the blood sugar. It's great for diabetic.
Okay.
High blood pressure. It's good for pain. A lot of people don't know that.
Mm-hmm.
It's good for pain. It's good for the heart. If you're having heart issue.
Mm-hmm.
Circulation, which a lot of people suffers from. Like in my situation that I just experienced a couple of weeks ago. You know, I have to have my legs raised because we want the blood to circulate.
Mm-hmm.
Again, I haven't taken any painkiller, pain medication since.
You haven't taken any pain medication?
No, since I'm out. You know. So I have to make sure that I'm actually aiding in that area.
So you use a Noni?
I use the Noni for one. I haven't taken any from the hospital. I haven't taken any antibiotic. Of course, you know antibiotic is infection. This Noni Detox, it produces a chemical at the cellular level that is called prozeronine. Mm-hmm. Your body produces zeronine, but it's not enough. This chemical also helps with stress, to help to balance the stress factors. So now you can see why high blood pressure is good for that too. But this alkaloid helps to fight off infections. So Noni is known to fight off infections. For over 2,000 years, the ancestors have been using this product. Again, why? Because it builds your immune system. The Noni Detox builds your immune system. In this time, we have to have a healthy immune system.
So I drink 3 corks every morning. That's good enough.
That's good enough.
So everyone needs a big bottle of this.
Yeah, you're drinking 3 cups. I'm drinking half cup of Noni
a day.
I have to remember
Because of your challenges.
my challenges.
Okay.
You know, I'm not taking any pharmaceutical drugs. So I have to be very mindful of what I'm using, that it is beneficial and is enough.
Remember, guys, check with your doctors.
Definitely. You can check with your doctor, and hopefully your doctor is honest enough.
And this is only Noni pure Noni?
Okay, so now with our Noni now, Detox, we have added a few ingredients to like bulk it up, to make it like the super Noni.
Yes.
Yeah, so there's some red pepper, you know,
Wow.
red peppers in it, garlic, you know, for its inflammatory, you know, and also Noni is great for inflammation. So if you know, a lot of people are suffering with inflammatory issues, Noni is great for that. You're familiar with black cumin. That's where the black seed oil comes from. So we add a little of that to our Noni tonic also. So when we say Noni shots, because at the restaurant, someone coming down with a common cold, flu, someone having some allergic reaction, sinus is draining, the Noni. They just come like, they come to the store like it's a bar. Let me get one of those Noni shots.
Shots?
Yeah, because we sell it like a one ounce shot.
Okay.
You know, and that's just at the...
So people who are going to get the health box, they need a big bottle.
You have to get the big bottle. It doesn't even make sense to get a small bottle like this, you know, because the whole family need, the children need to take it. You have a sore throat, sore issues. You talk about thyroids. You talk about the fibroids again. The Noni helps to reduce those issues. You know, so it's just a phenomenal product. And one last thing, it's best to be taken on an empty stomach. That's why I always say take it first thing in the morning. You know, it's best to take on an empty stomach.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the Noni, as I say, man, this just goes on and on.
Most of these bottles are going to be for me to bring home. That's my bottle.
Definitely,
You can
man.
get your own.
Yeah, man, you have to get And you know,
The link below, you can buy it online.
yeah, man. And one of the nicknames for Noni is Duppy Soursop.
Yes.
Yeah, Duppy Soursop. As I say, you know, it can resemble a soursop. And people, you know, at times past, people used to be afraid of the Noni, the Noni fruits. But as I say, you know, knowledge over body, we come to learn. Over 2,000 years, ancestors have been using this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful product.
Wow, great. So now I feel a little better understanding now the benefits of why I'm taking it.
Yes.
That's my bottle right there, people. Make sure you get your own. This is Randy on the show. All right, so we went through some must-haves, which are great, right? And we touched on high blood pressure. We jumped right into the Noni. Now, I want to get into another must-have, which is the never